Okay, hello guys. So today I want to show you one of the productivity tools that you can use with GitHub that I got to know very recently, even though I had been using GitHub for quite some time. So say for example, anybody is using GitHub. For example, this is my GitHub account. I have a lot of repositories. For example, there are 19 repositories in my GitHub account. Now say I am going to one of the repository. The problem with GitHub normally is that say I want to drag to one of this code. For example, I want to go to infra setup code. It opens it in a new window. Okay, basically it opens it in not in a new window, but in a sense that it opens it in a new context. So for example, if I have to go here and if I have to open this, if I just click on this, it will open here only. So I will lose the context. So one of way normally people use is just right click, open link in new tab, open link in new tab. So you get a lot of tabs basically and you lose a little bit context. So it's not a very user friendly way to scan your repo. Okay, so even though you're in repo, you cannot very easily scan or jump from one file to another. So it's very difficult when you are trying to troubleshoot code from this GitHub, or when you are trying to, for example, understand somebody else's code. So here comes Octotree. So this is the current state of my repo. So as you can see, I have to jump or open in a new window, new tab or a new window every new file. Okay, which is not a very easy thing to do, or not a very useful thing, or not a very smart thing as such. So if I go to this Octotree, this kind of a SaaS product, you can say, which they are saying GitHub on steroids. So awesome code review, exploring quick pull request navigation, tree-based file filtering, multi-tab support, 22 syntax, and many more. So this Octotree, you can see there are two types of basically stuff you can do. So one is Octotree, which is free version. Okay, that is what we will fast ID like CodeTree, private repo, file search, dark themes, omni bookmarking. Then you have Octotree Pro and Octotree Team. So Octotree Pro is $35 per year and Octotree Team is $50 per user per year. Okay, so basically what is Octotree? Beginning with a simple idea, Octotree has helped hundreds of thousands of developers improve their GitHub workflow. So these are tools to improve the GitHub workflow. Features such as pull request review, syntax themes, multi-tab, custom code fonts. Other brings GitHub experience to another level. Okay, so right now if you see, I want to use it for Chrome. Okay, I can also use it for Firefox, Opera, Edge, Safari. I think the Safari one is not available in a free edition. Okay, so if I go here, Octotree for Chrome, if I open this, you will see this is a Chrome extension. Okay, so I want to add it to Chrome. So let me add this to Chrome. Okay, so you can see it's offered by Octotree.io. 300,000 plus users have used this. Okay, so you can see very nice reviews of this solution or this product. So I'm doing add to Chrome, so I add this extension. So basically this extension is getting added. Give it some time, checking, and now it will say that it has been added to the, so you will get removed from Chrome. So you can see GitHub Octotree GitHub code tree has been added to Chrome. Very good. Now if I go here and I go to my application and I refresh it to my GitHub, so this is my normal GitHub, okay, homepage. As soon as I'm going to some repository, okay, say this for this one, you will see in the left I get this is an awesome stuff that I get from only by using Octotree. So I can make it so it's a kind of like an expandable sidebar. I can pin it down, and from here within the context of this repository I can scan everything just like as if I was in an IDE. So for example, I have to go to this, I just click here and here it comes here. I can click here, basically the file, it will come here. So this is very friendly, super friendly to use, and I have been using this for around 1 week now. I thought I would share this with everybody else. So please, if you have been using GitHub, and I think anybody, any engineer in the right sense of mind has been using GitHub for quite some time. So if you have been already using Octotree, very good. Otherwise, please start using this. It's really fun, and it's really it will increase your productivity. So this comes under one of the best productivity tools that can be used with GitHub. So this is it basically. So very simple to add, and please use this and let me know what you think about this video or this tool in the comments. Thank you and have a nice day.